Hey guys, it's Tamisha with Toolbox Divas, and the world as we know it has completely changed. In the last 3 months, everything is about staying safe, quarantining yourself, and social distancing. If we do go out, we're required to wear some sort of face covering. But the problem is, if you have babies or small children, toddlers, the chances of getting a mask on them is like, it's not happening. So I've come up with the solution of a face covering that I've used for my daughter Sydney, who's now 9 months, and it works. So let's get crafty.
Working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts. Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away, you and me, go to our favorite place.
So here's what you need: a sun hat or cap with a wide brim, clear craft plastic, Velcro strip, washi tape, a hot glue gun, needle and thread, some scissors, and this is optional, but a Cricut Explore or Maker comes in very handy. So I started out by cutting the template for the face shield using my Cricut Explore. However, like I mentioned earlier, this is actually an optional step. You don't have to use a Cricut Explore or Maker to cut the face shield. The face shield can simply be cut using some scissors. But using my Cricut Explorer, I set it to transparency paper and I cut the clear plastic 3 times to ensure that it was fully cut all the way through. The face shield template will be located down in the description, where you can simply print it out on a piece of paper, tape the paper to the clear plastic, and cut it out with some scissors. With the face shield cut, it's time to assemble the face covering. So we're going to start off by trimming the face shield with some fabric washi tape. So while I said that we're going to be using needle and thread, for the most part, this is going to be a no-sew face covering. So to get around the curves on the face covering, you want to cut narrow slits into the washi tape on either sides of the tape. This will allow the tape to smoothly wrap around the round edges of the face covering. Trim the excess washi tape with some scissors. For this, we're going to use some sew-on strip Velcro. I like this because it makes it super easy. You just roll it out and attach it to the different pieces. First, we're going to start by attaching the rougher side of the Velcro strip, also known as the hook, to the plastic shield. And we're going to adhere this at first with a hot glue gun. Now, using the hot glue gun, attach the softer side or the loop of the Velcro to the outer brim of the hat. Now, I'm not sure if I mentioned this earlier, but you want to make sure that your Velcro strip fits from ear to ear on the outer brim of the hat. And similar to when we cut the washi tape, you want to cut slits into the Velcro strip on both sides. This will allow you to curve the Velcro strip so that it wraps around the curved brim of the hat. Now here's where the needle and thread comes into play. So to fully secure the Velcro to the clear plastic or the acetate paper, I highly recommend that you use a needle and thread and go back over the area where you applied the hot glue. Now cut diagonal slits on the Velcro of the face shield. Attach the face shield to the hat and you are ready to go. Now you and your little one can go out and explore the new normal. And when the face shield is not needed, it converts right back into a sun hat. And I highly recommend making more than one shield, because while this is rugged enough to take some abuse, after a while, the kids will probably win. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I'm able to provide some inspiration on ways that you can protect your children during this crazy time that we live in. Alright guys, stay safe. Till next time.